In this video, I'll teach you how to embroider the nose of our cute Amigurumi Winnie the Pooh. So first of all, what we need to observe is that here in the small amigurumi that I crocheted, the safety nose forms a triangle. You can see that the tip of the triangle is here in the same direction as the magic ring, and here is like almost as a horizontal line. So we will create exactly the same triangle here with the embroidery. I will use a black polyester fiber and a tapestry needle. I like this plastic tapestry needle because they're very flexible, and this is the one that I usually use when I sew or embroider anything in plushy amigurumis. I mean, amigurumis that I crochet with polyester fiber. But these are not good when we are talking about cotton yarn. For cotton yarn, I like these metal ones. So the first thing that we need to do, you take a long piece of thread. I still haven't cut this yarn. It's still attached to the skein of yarn here. So first of all, we will draw like a horizontal line. You pass the tapestry needle from one side to the other. Like this. This yarn breaks very easily, but we will manage. And then you pass it like this again horizontally, and you go back to the same gap, to the same stitch. And then we make the triangle shape. Our first goal here is to see if we like the place where the nose is. Okay, you see that I did my small triangle. I passed the yarn once horizontally and twice here diagonally to form my triangle. Look at the amigurumi and see if you like the shape of the nose that you created, because maybe you wanted it a bit longer. You wanted it to come here to the middle of the magic ring, or maybe you wanted to start here closer to the head. I tried in this case to follow exactly the shape that I did with the smallest version, but maybe you want something different in your amigurumi, and this is completely up to you. So once you're satisfied with the result that you have, you will start passing the yarn like a couple of times in these directions, diagonally and horizontally, to fill this empty part here and create the nose. And that's what we will start doing right now. So you see that I did a couple of times horizontally and also forming this V shape in the amigurumi, but there is still some empty spaces inside. So instead of going to the same stitch here, I will try to find some stitch in the middle. I hope you can see that. I hope you can. And you pass the yarn. But you see that all the time when I pass the yarn, I am also trying to adjust it with my fingers. This is important to keep the shape and see if all the threads are in the correct place. So I'll continue filling the gaps here. So now that I finished, you can see that I covered all the space forming the triangle. I passed the remaining thread to any point here in the nose, and with the last remaining thread that I have, I will also go to exactly the same stitch. Just be careful when you do this so you don't pull that yarn that much. We don't want that to be weird. And now what I'll do is simply tie a knot. I do that twice or 3 times. Usually try to feel how safe it is. Okay, it's safe. So you can either cut the yarn or put it inside the amigurumi like this. I love to do this. It gives me so much pleasure. Sounds silly, but it does. I love putting the yarn inside the amigurumi when I'm working with plushy yarn. Just remove this remaining threads. Oops. You see that we hide everything. It's so good. Although you see that I don't like this yarn that much. Look how dirty my desk is. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my Winnie the Pooh, you can get the pattern on my website. The link is in the description below. And also, this pattern was part of a monthly reward to my patrons. If you would like to join my Patreon community, I would love to have you with us. It's an amazing Crocheniacs community, and every month there is a new pattern and a lot of behind the scenes, and there are also lots of other benefits for every tier. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.